Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me both these graphics. This picture looks sharp and clear and perfect if you were going to engrave it on wood. But to reverse the colors, to engrave it on a black background, it looks washed out. I mean, there's too much white, like the underneath the fender, and even everything looks washed out. He sent it to me for my advice, and I'm going to do what I would do. I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move it over. I'm going to take away the fill by left clicking. I'm going to add an outline by right clicking. Now, that doesn't look too spectacular right now, but let's play around with it. You could make the whole thing. You have to make it more than a hairline. So we're going to make it half a point. And we're even going to go further. But if we make all of it a half a point, this will just become all one glob. So I'm going to go to Object, and when things don't, we can ungroup them. And we're going to see if we can grab just those, and we can't. So we're going to break the curve apart. I'm going to have trouble because of my yellow box. So I'm going to take the yellow box away right now. Or I could have locked it. But I'm going to go up here and grab those. And I'm going to move them out of the way. Whoop. I need to set my nudge factor on like 3 inches. And you notice I'm coming from off the item. So I hopefully just get that. And I got one other part so I can move it right back. And actually got one other part, but we could move it right back. And then we could take these and, make them that half point. And you could actually do some other things, but, some of the things being 100% black wouldn't really matter. Like you could take some of these lines out. You don't have to hit your calculator. But you could all leave it like that, select it all, and make that 0.75 of an inch. See how it popped out? You could maybe even try 1 point. And then you could put these back. Now let's do a little test. To see what it looks like, let's group it together. Go ahead and move it over. Let's draw a black box. Whoop, had it selected. Let's take a rectangle. And for the one I'm doing it for, he has no outline, but he has it. Or maybe the settings don't come through. I don't know. He draws a white box. Take this item. Go ahead and go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and turn it white by right-clicking, and then put it in our black box. This is going to show you what it's going to look like on the Yeti cup. And I think it's perfect. Depending on how many you're going to do, I would actually redraw this engine part and, just maybe look over a few things to make it. If you're only going to do one cup and this logo is only 3 inches by 3 inches, I think you're good to go. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.